after providing vaccines and sampling DNA from the rhino earlier this morning. Vickers, the Rockwood staff, and the guests turned their attention to another objective. Herd management is another critical part of the operation, and keeping the rhinos safe from one another is paramount to avoiding injury or even worse.
Okay guys, so we're here in one of these bomas this morning, and the idea is there's some young bulls, and they're probably now around 4 years old, and at that stage the bigger bulls want to push them out. And because they're in this intensive protection zone, there's no room for them to be pushed out. So we're going to take them out. We're going to load them here today and move them to an area that's safe for them. So Tiens, you can explain to us exactly what you're going to do.
Yeah, we're going to dart these 2 animals here out of these 4, and they're obviously walking in a herd of about 60 to 80 somewhere along the line. They've been separated for us to work in a safe environment, as we have behind us, as you can see, it's quite safe. And yeah, I'm going to dart the 2. The truck with the 2 cranes is going to come in. After the 2 has gone down, we're going to reverse them a little bit. Then we're going to initiate them to get up, and then we're going to walk them into the crates and put the crates back on the truck. From there onwards, we're going to move them over to other open area where all the animals are the same age, and then we're going to fully reverse them there. Yeah, and then they're going to be off on their way. Yeah, and listen, when either myself or Vickers tells you not to do something and something, just be aware of what's going on. Don't stray off on yourself, by yourself, even though you might think it's there's no other dangers. There's still another 2 animals in here that we're not going to dart. We will open the gates so that the other 2 can exit this little boma, so that we can work with only the 2 there. Yeah, and just listen to our instructions as we go, safety-wise, yeah.
Yeah, and don't forget, when I say pull, pull. And when I say push, push.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah.
Say run, run.
yes.
Obviously, management of animals, moving out young bulls that starts getting aggressive with the older bulls. Smaller areas, they will probably be killed if we don't move them out, and that's what we're going to do. Far left. That's all right, that's all right, that's all right. Aye!
I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.